Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is Google domain. How to buy Google domain. Google domain reviews, pros, was, concept. How to registration domain name. So, if you are looking for service to help for registration a domain name, Google domain is one of the best service funds. Google domain reviews we help viewer understand. We will recommend Google domain by offering compressed covers of what is Google service, how to offer his everything we cover in this reviews, table of contents, type of free domain, what is Google domain, Google domain FQS advanced of using Google domain devices of using Google domain was completion, how to registration domain with Google domain, how to transfer domain name to Google domain, what is Google domain. Google domain is registration service launched by Google January 40 2015. Google domain help registration that's your WordPress site and other websites unclicks to popular domain registration. Google domain does not offer any type of hosting that means your need to purchase hosting, especially for example your code purchase your Google name domain name from Google domain connect kindness for hosting. Google domain also make easily connect to the Google service like G Site, Google Search Console and more, and can access Google domain using the same Google account for other service. Target was launched 2015 and fully function. Google domain is still technical in beta. Google domain reviews factor registration name domain transfer example domain for other registers free privacy protect entries with your purchase. Google Power DNS simply management dashboards that merge other Google service part of Exchange Google account. No space logging also allow two-factor action. Email forward up to 11 access domain and subdomain forwarding, but increase verified with other Google service. Google domain FQS. Can your Google with WordPress? Yes, you still need web hosting to power sites, but domain marketing easy. Contact your domain any WordPress hosting very have increased. How to point of domain to cast that works perfectly with Google domain. Is Google domain and host known unlike many other domain registration. Google domain does not offer any complementary website hosting service. Exchange sites watch property limit your needed purchase. You are needed to purchase your Google domain. Increase domain your hosting service. Does your Google domain work? Email. Yes, Google domain make great option for creating your own customer email address. Peter do not need it. Some email address here are few sold tracks. There are two very using email with Google domain. Email forwarding fee create a 100 Gmail errands forwarding to your Exchange account and send email release using Gmail and other email client email hosting with G sites from $6 per month. You can easily increase your Google G site from hosting in 30 GB story and more. Have professional address G site advanced you of using domain pre-designing permission interface and signing on Google domain and just like our other service that it's used using Google using account that dashboards stealing past the Google. There are two big advantages to it. First, you don't have Exchange create account because almost generator have Google account just to lock your account down. Strongly power and two-factor authorization because that create single point factor. Secondary, you will be able to pick up increase really quick because it's face similar to Exchange tools you may be using like Google Analytics. Compatible transparent pricing. Google domain is always the most option more on this letter but does have the most transparent purchasing and a more effect that much complexion of many popular domain exchanges. Which domain you are now exchange with what your domain name costs both and the factor that is policy your registration domain name some that what your some other domain registration lies you are with big first year disconnection before registration price. We have reviews for example GoDaddy changing $11.99 from the first year of .com domain but changing $70.99 we will reach Google domain on the heads are just always flat as to one. 3. Privacy and protect. Pre-registration domain name you have provided your owner personal information like your address and phone number. By default, all the information are publicly available in this registration which level you are open to spam other anything like activity privacy protect change that's heading your information bring great privacy information. Make domain registration change for privacy protect something as much as $10 per year. Google domain Harvard increase privacy protect for free as parts purchase. Google Power DNS service domain name system is what connecting your domain name to your web server. It's open client phone back of internet. Each domain registration his owner DNS service is to many hosters. But here the thing, not all DNS create equal time and DNS your use can have an effect on your page load. What your domain name to get Google code DNS which is blocking Google owner increase the device permit level speed in select to host speed permit DNS root which hold great option. 2-step authorization to protect your account. It's instead that your protect account your domain registration because action word love here ends your domain name. What your domain name is easy to do because you get access all Google step to verification option to text message, smartphone, apply physical key and more email forwarding. If you want to use your owner customer email address like .com, Google domain lets up to 100 Gmail deliver to exchange email account like Gmail or also speeds easily like domain to Google site email hosting target your needed play extra G site. So this video is subscribe my channel, like, thanks for watching.